Hi, I'm Katie from Ornamental Trees, and in this guide I'm going to walk you through how to correctly plant a tree. This guide is specifically for containerised trees up to 2.5 metres in height. Containerised trees are those that are sold in either pots or bags. Trees that are sold in pots or containers can be planted at any time of year, although the best time to plant is in spring or autumn. Once you've found a suitable planting location, make sure you have the following equipment before you get started: a spade and trowel, compost and a wheelbarrow for mixing compost, a tree stake and tie, a lump hammer, and root grow. Firstly, prepare the site by removing all weeds and grass, ideally within a metre of your desired planting hole. Dig a hole the same depth as the pot or root ball and about twice as wide. Keep the soil nearby, as we'll be using that again shortly. Digging a square hole encourages roots to grow straighter and extend out of the planting hole. Loosen the soil in the bottom, then sprinkle some root grow in the hole to help the tree to grow strong and healthy roots. Remove the pot and gently loosen the outer roots, taking care not to break them. Place the root mass in the hole, ensuring the tree is upright and the top of the tree's compost is flush with the level of the surrounding soil. Mix some of the soil from the planting hole with an equal proportion of compost and use the mix to refill around the tree. Take care not to bank the soil up over the collar or graft union of the tree, as this can cause rotting. Gently press the soil to firm it. If there are a lot of local rabbits, you may want to add a rabbit guard to protect the tree. Now it's time to install a stake and tie. Staking is an important step in the planting process, as it will help the tree's roots to anchor properly, preventing root rot, which can lead to establishment issues. For trees up to 2.5 metres in height, you can use a single stake and tie, which is what we'll be installing today. For larger trees, we recommend 2 stakes and a crossbar, which we'll cover in another guide. Place the stake upwind of the tree so that the tree is blown away from the stake at a 45-degree angle, so it is not penetrating the root mass. Knock it in until it is firm, until about 1/3 of the stake is underground. Ensure the top of the stake remains adjacent to the tree. Tie the tree firmly to the stake using a tree tie. Here we're using a buckle tie, which can be adjusted if required as the tree grows in size. The buckle should be assembled like so, with 2 loops for wrapping around the tree and the stake, and a spacer in the middle. A spacer prevents rubbing by allowing some room between the tree and stake. The whole thing should look like a figure of 8. A tie should only provide gentle support, so make sure you are not immobilising the tree by tying too tightly, as it should be allowed some natural movement in the wind. Next, give your tree a generous soaking by pouring water directly at the base of the tree. If it's spring or summer, continue to water well and regularly. If you're planting in autumn, you may only need to water a little. In winter, dormant trees don't require any watering. You can check our website for specific watering requirements by species. To learn more about watering, make sure to watch our other video guide on how to water trees correctly. After planting, keep the planting area free of competing weeds, grass and other plants for the first couple of growing seasons, and keep the stake in place for approximately 12 to 18 months, after which time it can be removed. And that's it! If you found this video useful, please subscribe to the Ornamental Trees newsletter for more gardening tips and advice. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoy your new tree for years to come.